Welcome to 12.82 Tupad Youngconian.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Live from Teodoro Arianco Elementary School, 21.22 Tupad Youngconian Station now brings you the hottest 5-minute news update in our school about Aral program. I am your Tita Barkada, you is Zareen.
We bring you from the hand of professional. I am your Uncle Barkada, Marcos Lipyan.
We are the boys. We will expose. We set our limits to the maximum level.
The headline for our hottest news today.
Aral program. Learn, leads, and excel students.
Dedicate in keeping you fire current. Event here is Rebecca, live at the school ground.
Oh, thank you, Marcos Lipyan.
Good day, young audience. I am Rebecca Inabtagad, your field reporter for Cookie. Under the supervision of Ma'am Susan B. here, our program is successfully executed by the help of our diligent teachers here in Teodoro Arianco Elementary School and started early September this year. This is Rebecca Inabtagad report.
Interesting facts, Rebecca. Now we call on Sir Georgina Flores to interview ang facilitator of Aral program.
Thanks for the introduction, Zareen. I'm Sir Georgina D. Flores, here to know what's the purpose of Aral program and how they conduct it. Good morning, Youngconians. I'm here at campus stairs to interview our very own Ma'am Escrito to give us more details about the Aral program. Nakakatulong po ba ang Aral program sa mga kabataan?
Okay, salamat sa tanong. Okay, ganito po. Ang Aral program po ay program ng ating DepEd, ng Department of Education. Ang ibig sabihin ng Aral is Academic Recovery and Accessible Learning. Ito po ay makakatulong sa mga batang grades 1 hanggang grade 6 sa ating paaralan. Gayon din sa mga batang grade 7 hanggang grade 10 sa junior high school, 11 and 12 sa senior high. Sa paanong paraan? Sa pamamagitan ng pag-extend ng extra time para sa kanila, para sila ay maturuan ng mga teachers natin na makabasa. May mga bata kasi tayo na kung saan grade 3, grade 4 na sila anak, ang pagbasa nila ay parang grade 1 pa rin. So, sa pamamagitan ng Aral program, ang hinahangad natin na pagdating nila dun sa level nila, pag grade 2 na sila, dapat ang pagbasa nila ay pang grade 2 na. Pag grade 3 na sila, dapat ang level ng reading nila, grade 3 na rin. So, sa ganung paraan, nakakatulong ang Aral program.
Thank you, Ma'am Espirito, for your time and effort. Back to you, Marcos.
Wow, such interesting information. We will be back after a short advertisement.
Gusto mo bang tumalino na parang si Albert Einstein?
O tila isang manganumita sa mga
Itong libro ang tatalino pa ang kailangan mo. So what are you waiting for? Go to the nearest national, international bookstore before applying us.
Kalibro, usahin mo. Tatalino ka libro, ikaw ay matuto. Mundo ay ikot, isip mo'y lalawak. Sa bawat pahina, ikaw ang tatawa. Libro, tatalino. Libro, go.
We now have Roberto Rinalde to interview students that undergo the Aral program.
Thank you, Zareen. Nakakatulong ba ang Aral program para sa iyo? Opo, lumawak ang aking kaalaman dahil sa Aral program. Thank you for your great answers. Back to you guys to the studio.
Well, thank you, our hardworking field reporters. Once again, you are watching 21.22 Tupad Youngconian Station. And I am your Tita Barkada, Zareen de la Cruz.
And I am your Uncle Barkada, Marcos Lipiana, saying, kumain ka para di ka magutom.